Okay, let's go.
Wow!
Extra GOA TED.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't.
I know you belong.
Take my sunshine away. The other night, dear.
Extra, extra. Here we have Yvette, Pierce, Nam, Alyssa, Vicky, who is a director, Mia, and Andrew.
Wait. Like a little bit more, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We love being extra wide. We love this team. Yes, we love this team.
Can't be bothered, you ain't my fault. Like the muffin man, let it fix it hanging like an ornament, like an ornament. I ain't no ornament. Drop, twist it, lift it, break it, drop, pick me up again. women. So turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Dirty babe, you see these shackles, baby, I'm your slave. It's just that no one makes me feel this way. Go ahead, be gone with it. 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 Go ahead, be gone with it.
You ready?
Turn this TV off, 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 turn this TV off. I'm prophetic, they only talk about it, I get it. Only good for saving face, seen cosmetics. How many heads I gotta take to level my aesthetics? Hurry up and get your muscle up, we up the plyometric. Go ran up by the lux, and that's up the highest metric. The city just made it sweet, you could diabetic. They mouth you full of deceit, let these colors tell it.